Hey guys, time for a quick video. So firstly, why is the audio so crap? Yeah, I'm aware of it. I've got a new microphone that I've ordered. It hasn't been delivered yet. It's coming. You'll see the difference in future videos. So, quick update. I will be speaking at the Blockchain Africa conference. That's this week, and it's great. Quite a famous event now, starting to build momentum over the years. Binance is a sponsor. The coronavirus has affected us, and I'll show you in a minute. So here's some of the sponsors: Binance, Paxful, and here's some of the speakers that I was hoping to meet. Some of these guys. So the first was Charles Hoskinson, the Cardano guy, and we've just heard that unfortunately he's not going to be there due to the coronavirus travel. There's a note that they've put there. He will do a pre-recorded presentation on day one. Tony Vase, he will be there. Hoping to meet him. Here's a Binance person. Here's an Investec person. Investec is not really a bank, or maybe a niche bank, high-end bank, investment house, kind of like a Wall Street firm in South Africa. Who's this bozo? Well, that's me. So this is the first big blockchain conference that I'm doing. Obviously, I've done enterprise software and BI and big data events for the last 15 years. Finastra, another Binance person there, Paxful, Bankserve. So some nice people. And in the past, we've had Vinnie Lingam, we've had Andreas Antonopoulos, Stephen Thomas of Ripple. So I saw this guy in person once. He came to the Microsoft offices in South Africa. I actually met Vinny once, told him, how's it? He's a South African, so he'll understand that. A guy from Hyperledger. So we're going to be talking about enterprise blockchains, and I've got quite an interesting session. So I'm not going to show you the session today. I will do a recording. Apparently my session will be recorded. I'm going to talk about trade finance, how blockchain, consortium chains using data collaboration and AI are going to impact us going forward. Now, with the Microsoft announcement that happened, the EY announcement, which you can see here, there's a lot of enterprise activity, and it's good for Ethereum in particular. Right, I'm going to be talking about that. There's something called Azure Data Share, which I will be talking about in my session. So basically, it comes down to having consortium chains in certain instances, but also sharing data between consortium chains and the public blockchain, the public Ethereum mainnet, using that data for analytics, using logic apps, event hubs. I'm going to talk through all of that. This is an example of a blockchain consortium chain that I spun up in Azure, and I write Solidity and deploy to this. It's just loading. Okay, there we go. Some of the things I'm going to show. This is Remix, so you write your smart contracts. This is a very simple increment the balance type of smart contract to make this bigger. And you would typically write this on Remix, deploy to the mainnet. And what's cool is I've got MetaMask installed. And this is how Microsoft is embracing all of this. My PC is really a little bit slow. This is my MetaMask account. It's not connected to Ethereum mainnet. It's connected to my Azure blockchain Ethereum implementation. And once that's done, I've got a smart contract here. I can come here, and instead of a test VM, injected Web 3.0, and I can say, okay, this smart contract, sol.sol, I want to actually deploy not to the mainnet, but to my testnet. The moment I do that, it brings up MetaMask, right? I love how the fox follows the mouse. As I said, my PC is just really struggling at the moment, but there we go. And blockchain.azure.com. And this is, while this may not be deployed to the Ethereum mainnet, we're using MetaMask, we're using Remix, we're writing Solidity. You can write Viper as well. This enhances the Ethereum ecosystem, right? And I'll be talking about that, and I'll be talking about blockchain in trade finance, all of these things. So I'll do a full replay for my subscribers of what my session is. Those of you in Joburg, hope to see you at Blockchain Africa. As I said, great conference over the last few years, and just gaining in stature. And then just to end this quick video, so we've seen, due to the coronavirus fears and the overall markets crashing, we've seen crypto come down. I'm going to be doing an update to my series. Remember, I said to you on the 4th of Jan, I came up with a strategy, and I'm going to revisit that. It's the 10th of March now, so I'm due to do one in March. I did one in Feb. But, long story short, if you use my equation and track this, on the 4th of Jan was $133. And today, if I look at Ethereum and I look at the ratio, where are we today? I think it's at about 0.25. Okay, so divided by 0.025, and effectively you're getting Bitcoin for 5,300. Now today at $200, let's say you buy today, you missed the $133 window. You're going to go $200, and let's say it goes up to just 0.4, nothing more, right? Reasonable given what we expect from Ethereum this year. 0.04. How this equation works, watch my other videos, and you're still getting, that's exactly $5,000. So there's still an opportunity here. So this crash is good. It's good for us if you're investing, right? It's not the end of the world for crypto. You need to be very you need to have good understanding of the basics. So that's the investment side, but the enterprise side is also equally, for me, just so exciting. And here's my dashboard in Azure, blockchain development kit. Microsoft has just done so much integration into the Ethereum ecosystem, and people aren't really talking about it. You just hear the odd article. Some people don't understand it. So I'll do a full video on that after the conference, but first, I don't want to take any thunder away for the conference attendees who will be there tomorrow. So that's it. Just a quick update. And the next time I make a video, the audio is going to be a lot better because I've ordered a brand new mic, a decent one. And let's see how that works out for me. Okay, so I'll see you guys very, very soon.